go. Yo, good day everyone, it's Kelly Sonda. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, we're gonna be talking about basically overall my trading strategy, right? How I, run down stuff. As you can see from here, you can see this Euro USD, Euro USD, Euro USD. I'll actually tell you guys why I have three pairs of Euro USD with what different analysis. As you can see, this Euro USD on the monthly time frame. If you look closely, you see some lines here. These lines are not just what random lines. If you check, see how they're actually holding. Overall, you can see how they are holding. Well, basically, these lines are yearly level, and this yearly level was drawn from far back. Okay, you understand, it takes time to do all this. That is why you have to join our Telegram channel, because on the Telegram channel I do post all this stuff and update everyone, right? So the link to join the Telegram channel is at the video description below. Also, do want to follow me on Instagram and Twitter, because I post a whole lot of stuff there. Okay, then basically, as you all know, I have not been posting since, because overall I have been working on so many other stuffs, you understand. But today I just want to show you guys overall my strategy rundown. As you can see, price went from this level, okay, tapped into this level and finding it hard to push through to this level. So overall, we have seen an initial tap and a retracement. When we move to the weekly right now, you see how this level holds. This is just the number one outlook based on pure what price action, removing all distractions. Okay, you can see as price tapped in, retraced. This is not really a yearly level, but it's just here, you understand. So pushed up again, trying to break, but now you can see, according to the PDRA, you can see this is a weekly order block. Let me highlight that. You can see that price tapped into this weekly order block and finding it was difficult to break. And overall, there is a FVG here on the discount. So this is just pure technical analysis, removing what the fundamental analysis. Okay, so here you can see an FVG here. Now remember, this trace actually is not really a, if you measure this right now from here down here, this is around 600 pips. Okay, this is a 600 pips trade, and believe me, to take a whole lot of time to play out. But now the overall framework is, in as much as I'm bullish on Euro USD overall, let me highlight this. You can see, just really expecting price to react out of this break, return to fair value. Then I want to see price now expand. Okay, expand to this level before seeing any other retracement. And believe me, this drop, anticipating this expansion, I don't want to see it taking out this lows. Once it take out this low, is a break of structure and a huge new stuff, like a huge trend is activated. But overall, you can see downtrend here forming higher highs and lower highs, higher high, lower higher. Overall, you can see a break of structure here. Let me highlight that also for you to see. So overall, this is a break of structure, showing that yes, price have changed, retraced a bit, pushed off, breaking another structure higher. Okay, retraced. So anticipating this break of structure is also ideal. Remember, now this retracement is not really that it's compulsory it will happen, because there are so many factors. Okay, you can see price breaking higher here, then probably retracing a bit. Oh god, Control Z, yeah, okay. So see price retracing. There are many things to look out for, but when you have knowledge with context, and believe me, this is a higher time frame play out. Okay, you can see that same retracement here. So all I'm trying to say is, overall I'm bullish on Euro USD. Overall I'm bullish on Euro USD, right? But now doesn't mean I'm not having rooms for sales. So these are the two stuffs that can play out. Once this low is taken out, now just know that price is literally coming here, you understand, to fair value. But if this low still remains intact, just know that the retracement will not be that deep. Okay, because now this is a trend. Once it breaks here also, it's actually it has broken structure. So all you have to do is overall watch and wait to see what the price action is telling you. Wait for the market to act before you react. So this is basically the first point of how I actually take my trade analysis firstly from the higher time frame perspective, okay, knowing where price is, knowing where price is coming from, and knowing what price is what trying to do. So secondly, moving to this second euro USD, this second euro actually shows me the what enterprise this is the IP enterprise delivery algorithm overall, because remember this market is actually what controls from like it moves from one. Okay, let me just don't go in depth. So overall, I don't think many people will understand what they are seeing here currently. So that is why if you actually want to learn more in forex trading, do well to join our Telegram. Then you can still contact me. Okay, you can contact me. My details are below. If you want to learn more, do well to what contact me. So overall, I don't want to go in depth here, because going in depth here will what take a whole lot of time. So I want to actually what move to the next point. Next point is actually what seasonal tendencies. There are so many places that will help you get seasonal tendencies and so on. You understand? There are so many sites you can see to get all those stuff, but for now I don't really have any. You understand? And these also key points that I will explain further. So the next one is actually knowing the what IPDA data range, which is what you're seeing currently in the chart, and identifying the buy side and sell side liquidity. This probably now when we switch to the 1 hour. Okay, when we switch to the 1 hour, decide to take a trade, although I have an analysis here already. So basically all this line you're seeing here is basically what the new week opening gap. So this trade was sent to the Telegram since Thursday. This is my trade idea. Okay, this is my trade idea. It was sent since Thursday. Price breaking lower, waiting for retracement to FVG, taking profit currently here. Okay, so this is the trade is actually what running currently, and I believe is around 15 pips in profits. Today is holiday, the market is very slow, that is why it's ranging. Okay, and probably there is NFP today also. So looking at fundamentals also plays what a very high role in your strategy, or in my strategy overall. So the next confluence I actually utilize most is what dollar index, dollar strength. Okay, let's move over to dollar index on the daily time frame. So this is the XY on the daily time frame. Okay, as you can see, price tapped into this high, breaking down, pushing, forming a downtrend overall. You understand? So overall, I'm still waiting for price to actually if you move down to the lower time frame now, you can actually see the price action clear. Okay, so this is the downtrend overall. If people that actually put trade, you can see it's down, breaking lower, down. So many people are actually anticipating a sell. I'm still just expecting a bit retracement here, which this upward movement will be leading towards a sell on euro USD. You understand? So not taking out this high, but at least to this FVG. Let me use the trend line to show you guys. So expecting price here. Okay, so before breaking lower, because now you are in a downtrend and is clear. So buying now is not bad, it's also ideal. You understand? So these buys here will be leading to sells on euro USD, because they are inversely correlated. So when you actually have this is called intermarket analysis. Now when we are having a bearish bias on dollar, that means euro will be bullish. But when we are having a bullish bias on dollar, which is currently $1 to go up, I'm anticipating euro USD to be going down. Then also GBP USD. If I go to GBP USD, you can see I'm also anticipating it to go down close to this level here to favorably before breaking higher, if it will break higher, because that is not currently what I'm trying to anticipate. Overall, what I'm trying to anticipate after from the higher time frame, seeing what is likely possible to happen on the higher time frame. Now we're coming to the 4-hour time frame for our intraday trades. Okay, remember that trade is around 600 and something pips, but currently all these ones are just 50, 100, 80 pips. So you cannot, having the understanding of the higher time frame bias helps you majorly to go down to the lower time frame. So for example, you're bearish on dollar, you understand, and you know that dollar is bearish on the monthly. All you do is just to be looking for sales on dollar. So any push up like this, any upward move, let's say for instance upward move to this level, you understand, will help me what take my so probably I know it's gonna buy now, but I will not buy because I'm bearish on dollar. So I'll just wait for the retracement here, then and I'll take my sell. But if you want to still be flexible, buying and selling, that is nice. Okay, that is totally nice. You have the knowledge. It's your choice to what to do, what you want to do, you understand. So another point I want to make is the COT data. Many people overlook that. That is commitment of traders. Many people look down on that, but that is also vital, you understand. It's also a vital information. So there are many things to look out for. I guess I have to plug my PC. There are many things to look out for in your analysis, you understand. So that is why I actually want to show you guys this. I have many stuff I'm looking out for, and there are many things to learn also in order for you to trade and make profit or make money overall.